Hello Kenta friends. In today's video, we will be discussing the best Japanese language learning applications for Android. If you're interested in learning Japanese or enhancing your language skills, then this video is for you. We will dive into the features and benefits of 3 popular apps. So, let's get started. Learn Japanese Pro. Learn Japanese Pro is a comprehensive and effective Japanese language learning application. This app offers various learning features such as vocabulary lessons, grammar, pronunciation exercises, and tests to assess the user's Japanese language skills. It also includes audio and video materials to assist users in honing their listening and speaking abilities. Moreover, Learn Japanese Pro provides a Japanese-English translation dictionary, which is useful for understanding word meanings and usages. Learn Japanese Vocabulary. Learn Japanese Vocabulary is an application focused on expanding the user's Japanese vocabulary. This app provides various sets of words grouped by specific topics such as clothing, food, transportation, and more. Each word is accompanied by accurate English translations and audio pronunciations. Users can utilize virtual flashcards to test and memorize the learned words. Learn Japanese Vocabulary can be accessed offline, allowing users to learn anytime and anywhere. Japanese Translator and Dictionary. Japanese Translator and Dictionary is a useful application for those needing assistance in translating texts from Japanese to English or vice versa. This app offers a two-way dictionary that enables users to search for Japanese words and obtain accurate translations and definitions in English. It also includes a voice pronunciation feature to help users improve their Japanese speaking skills. Japanese Translator and Dictionary supports Japanese translation in various contexts, such as texts, documents, and longer sentences. And that concludes our review of the best Japanese language learning apps for Android. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.